Okay. S26 na ba? Alright.
Wow!
And the prize is, we have here travel merchandise. Come on. Okay. Here we go. Ayan.
Okay, perfect.
All down. Hindi na siya. Sige ma'am. Saan ma'am? Okay. May official photographer po tayo. Okay. Next is the general admission.
Okay, Sir Fez, before that one, let's have first another good opportunity coming from Zamboanga City. Kayo daw kayo lahat.
Okay.
Yes. And also from Zamis, they're also requesting. And ito po dyan sila sa March. Ilan ba yung nila? Ang ina sa Zamis, panubog lang daw.
Alright, come on. Thank you so much. General admission group.
Yes.
Tama na ba?
Zamis. Okay. Bye.
Sorry po. Okay, ito ang agreement namin to also cater. Kasi may mga patrons pa tayo. May mga patrons pa tayo. Five na dyan, ladies.